guys, welcome to another video. My name is Jonah and this is going to be the best mic filters inside of Streamlabs OBS. So pretty much I'm in Streamlabs OBS here, and to change your filters you pretty much going to go to a mic/aux here and click on the settings icon here and go to filters. So to add to add filters, you do the add there and you can select which one you want. So pretty much add noise suppression and noise gate first. Those are and just leave those as default. And then we've got another filter here, which is compressor. So we're changing some settings for this. So first of all, we're gonna have ratio at 2.1, threshold at -11.1, attack at 20, release at 1, up again at 0. So these filters will stop background noise and just make your might sound a lot clearer and just nicer, and you don't get any of that like that sort of just weird stuff like that in your mic. So this is a really quick tutorial, guys. That's pretty much it. You can use this inside of normal OBS Studio as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm Jonah and I'm out. Peace.